Welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. I'm delighted to have with us today Raymond Lowe, Zoom's CX specialist for the APAC region. Raymond is a distinguished contact center executive and cloud transformation leader with over 30 years of deep domain expertise spanning the entire customer experience technology landscape. Currently serving as a Zoom CX specialist, he leverages his extensive background in contact center solutions, customer relationship management, and customer experience platforms to help organizations modernize their customer engagement strategies. Welcome, Raymond. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm glad to be here. Yeah.
Likewise. Now, clearly in an era of heightened disruption, what are some of the CX trends you are seeing today, and how can you be addressing them through your solutions?
That's a very good question. I think the first trend that we see is personalization at scale. Actually, doing personalization is not new anymore, but the customer now expect interactions that are really timely, relevant, and tailored to their individual needs. All right. And our approach here is actually we're using technology through our unified platform. Organization can leverage data and engagement insights, across the meeting, chat, phone, and other channels to deliver a more personalized experience and proactive support. This is the first trend that we see. Another trend that we see is omni-channel engagement. Customers seamlessly want to interact with organization across the channel that they choose. Maybe they start from chat and then moving to meetings and then follow up by email. It's no longer just a single channel or multi-channel. So we really need to tie it all together. Our integrated communication ecosystems, with Zoom, we can ensure continuity and attacks across the different touch points. So number three, of course, everybody is talking about it, is AI-powered customer support and insight. Businesses today are using AI to improve responsiveness and derive insight from customer interaction. How we approach that is AI capabilities is actually built into our platform as a CX AI-first platform. We streamline a support workflow, summarize interaction, analyze sentiment, and generate actionable insights, enabling team to respond faster and more efficiently. Well, the fourth trend that we see is employee experience as a CX drivers. Happy employee, happy customers. That's always the terms that people are using. Organization today are really recognizing that great employee experience equal to better customer experience, as what I mentioned just now. So by enabling, how is our approach here is by enabling efficient collaboration, clear communication, and hybrid work flexibility. Our platform empowers employees to deliver exceptional service and engagement, and of course, with an intuitive user interface. And the last one, the trend is actually focused on data security and threat. As we know that every organization are modernizing their contact center solution, and they're moving to cloud. So customer value, transparency, and data protection are more than ever needed in this particular trend itself. Our platform are built on enterprise-grade security and compliance. We ensure our customer data is safeguarded across all interactions. So this is some of the 5 trends that we see today in CX trend. Yeah.
Certainly. And voice, again, is remaining as a preferred channel for many customers seeking immediate assistance. How can conversational AI and voice bot technology help to provide a natural, human-like interaction whilst reducing wait times and improving the first contact resolution rates?
Yeah, I think today the AI has matured onto a stage that is a very natural, human-like conversation. All right. So many modern voice bot, really understand the intent, the sentiment, and the context, allowing them to build a fluid two-way conversation rather than rigid scripted ones. So with the advanced speech recognition, the AI engines really know how to handle the accents, idioms, emotion detection, creating a smoother and a more empathic interactions. All right. Dynamic personalization is also another key element in the human-like conversation. By leveraging on the customer history and the CRM data, the bot can really personalize the responses rather than a static one, using previous preferences or the details types for continual relevance. And also, you also help to reduce wait times and improve routing, instant triage, smart queue management. These are all the capability that the new bots, the voice bot will be able to do. All right, and like higher first call resolution. This is important because everybody is trying to divert the call away from the agent, all right, especially for mundane or standard answer. So VoiceBot today can access internal knowledge base, help guides and FAQ to provide customer an accurate answer in real time. So another features in voice in AI is actually agent assist. When human agent intervention is needed, AI can provide live transcription, all right, and also help the agent to understand, what are the questions that they can ask, to recommend the best action, to help the agent resolve the issue faster. And today, AI is actually also help you to be more operational efficiency and scalability. You can offer 24/7 at any time, so you don't need to really just serve the customer in an office hour. And also the cost itself, as I mentioned, AI can actually help you to deflect the call away from your agent and help you to save costs, across that. So as organization grow, the integration across the CX ecosystem is very crucial. So, like a company like Zoom, we provide our AI features that they integrate with a lot of CRM and other enterprises. Yeah.
Certainly. Now, how can organizations orchestrate seamless handoffs between voice bots, virtual agents, and live agents to ensure customers receive the right level of support at all times?
Well, I think we have to orchestrate and handle hands-off between voice bot or virtual agent, live agent. Organizations need to design an integrated journey where AI and human support complement each other. They are not taking over each other, but like ensuring the customer always receive the right level of assistance and without friction and repetition. How we can achieve that is, first thing is having a unified customer context across channel. So basically, what does it mean? That you have a centralized data layer that we can access no matter what channel you are coming to. And then also have to hands off, from AI to human agent, maybe to subject matter expert. We need to have the contextual information transfer. This also ensure that along the transcript, the intent, the past action, all are gathered, to be able to be available, at the agent line. This eliminates the need the customer to reinstate information, and this is the problem that we see. Smart escalation logic and intent recognition, AI-driven routing, dynamic rules. These are also all some of the AI features that is available in the contact centers, that actually help to improve efficiency. I think another few points is agent assist and real-time AI support is actually a very important features that help the agent to reduce average handling time, getting the information right. Okay. And of course, the last one is the transparency and control for our customer is very important. Offer customer clear option to escalate to human agent at any time to build the trust. So, for example, if I go into the bot, I'm not happy with the bot answer, I can actually immediately hands off to the agent. Okay, so yeah, that's how I think the hands off will happen.
Certainly. And in real-time agent assistance, which is transforming how contact centers operate, can you explain how AI capabilities can empower human agents with instant knowledge, sentiment analysis, and next best action recommendations during live customer interactions?
Well, I think importantly, AI empower human agents to work smarter, respond faster, and deliver more empathic, personalized experience. Here is how the key AI capabilities, come together to achieve that. I think the first one is the instant knowledge and contextual insight. We provide dynamic knowledge retrieval. AI continuously listen and transcribe the live conversation, detect customer intent and surface the most relevant knowledge-based article, FAQ, and policy in real time. Context awareness, the system draw from the CRM database, from prior to interaction and product usage history to give agent a holistic view of the customer journey, eliminating the need to search multiple systems manually. Automatic summarization is one of the key features. AI generate very concise summaries of the prior the interactions, so agent can quickly understand the issue before picking up the conversation, enhance the preparation and to reduce average handling times. Sentiment and emotional analysis, real-time sentiment analysis detection is very crucial to be used by the AI to help the agent to give the agent the information, right information to address, if they have an angry customer. So to make sure that the customer satisfactions increase. Empathy queues is also another area that we are looking at, the trend insights. Next best action recommendation is definitely a very powerful capability these days. You predict guidance based on intent, conversation history, and similar resolve case. AI suggests the next best action, such as offering or refund, escalating to a specialist, or recommended product features. Adaptive workflow, this recommendation update dynamically as discussion evolve, keeping agents aligned with customer needs and organization policy. Collaboration and with the supervisor assist, supervisor now can monitor live through agent, based on sentiment. So for example, you have a negative sentiment, the supervisor will be alerted, and then the supervisor can actually help the agent to address, difficult situation. With AI-generated summaries and insights after post-call review, coaching, all these are able to help, the organization to improve their performance. For example, automated quality management. So instead of it traditionally, only selected recording to be scoring, now the AI can score all the interaction. All right, this will definitely help to improve, the post-call review and coaching. Yeah, that's all.
Now, looking ahead, how do you envisage AI contact center solutions evolving to meet the expectations of increasingly sophisticated AI-native customers who demand both speed and empathy in their service experiences?
I think that is some of the wish lists that the market is looking at. I think the first one is I talk about personalization. So now we are looking at hyper personalization and predictive engagement. So instead of dealing with the call, the interaction in real time, the future contact center will really help to anticipate customer need before they reach out. Using a predictive analytics and behavioral data, AI will proactively offer support, updates, and recommendation at optimum moment. Just imagine if you are having an issue, the contact center will call you up before even you really reach out to them. Emotional intelligence, AI interaction is also another example. Advanced in sentiment and emotional detection will allow AI to respond not just how the customer say, but how they feel, right? Voice and text interaction will adapt in tone and empathy level in real time, creating a more human-like, emotionally attuned exchanges that build trust and satisfaction. And this is actually what people are looking for, more human-like voice bot and chatbot, okay? Human AI collaboration becomes symbiotic. What does it mean by that is the relationship between digital and human agent will move from sequential handoff to simultaneous collaboration. This means that, potentially there is a call that the AI and the human are co-pilot together to handle the conversation. Unified omnichannel service journey is something that we are looking at, and also continuous learning and self-optimizing system. So training the bot is actually a painful journey, but with the new AI models, we more autonomous. We evolve by analyzing pattern across millions of interactions, self-learning. Of course, the important thing is a transparent and ethical AI. As customers become more AI savvy, transparency in how AI assists them will be very crucial. Organization will emphasize sustainable, privacy-conscious AI, ensuring users feel comfortable when they know that they're dealing with AI when it's AI involved. Yeah, that's all for my answer. Yeah.
Certainly. Thank you so much, Raymond. It's been a pleasure to have you join us today, and we look forward to meeting you and the Zoom team at the Customer Experience Live Show in Singapore very shortly. Until then, stay safe.
Thank you so much.